Jet Ski World Cup 2013 presented by Thai Denmark. Sponsored by Thai Airways, Smooth as Silk, G-Shock, Chang Drinking Water, and Rosa. And some highlights from some other events of the day: the Pro Sport GP, the Pro Runabout 800 Open, and the Pro Freestyle. Not a whole lot of upsets in this one. In the Pro Sport GP, Supak Saithira taking an early lead in the race and doing it very well. Of course, he's not only Thailand's champion, he's also ranked #1 in the world. Doing very well across all 4 motos in this race. And he takes the checkered flag at the end of the race, finishing first and taking home the trophy. There he is, Supak Saithira, taking the victory lap for Thailand and winning the Pro Sport GP. The next race up, of course, is the Pro Runabout 800 Open. His brother, Thira Saithira, also taking the lead in this one. Thira also ranked #1 in the world in this division. Here too, he takes, as expected, an early lead and the championship in this race. There you have him, taking the checkered flag, and like his brother, takes home the trophy and takes a victory lap. Final event of the day, something that the crowd is always happy with. A performance, the freestyle jet ski flips and spins and backflips and barrel rolls and all that kind of fun. Things that nobody ever really realized they could do with a jet ski. And here you have him, Sungwoot from Thailand, crowned the champion at this year's Jet Ski World Cup. Sungwoot accepting the final trophy to be handed out at the Jet Ski World Cup 2013. And we'll leave you now with some scenes from the awards ceremony. See you again next time. Produced by Watercross World Asian Multisports.